excited today. It's the ribbon cutting for the Fiber-Reinforced bridge, the first one in Tennessee. We have been working on this the last year or two. We've got a whole group of teams that we've worked together to put this together. And today we showcased the technology. It's a fiber-reinforced polymer that makes a very lightweight bridge structure that we can install very quickly.
It's just a representation here in Morgan County of what public and private partnership looks like. We've seen, institutions, universities, public and private companies come alongside a rural community to meet a need and to display and deploy technology.
This idea of the government-private partnership, this is not talk anymore. You can actually see it and touch it. And so we're always working to understand the value of the SBIR program, funding the institutes, and all this basic research.
The actual cost of the FRP deck is slightly higher on the front end, but the savings in installation, construction equipment, and labor easily offset the initial cost. FRP bridge decks are durable and require less maintenance compared to the traditional materials.
Growing up near the area, something that's actually had a real effect on kind of my community. Really high tech. I think the analogy of a smart TV to this smart bridge is really apt. We have cameras working on it, we have sensors that can tell I'm standing on the bridge and where I'm standing on the bridge. And then we have other sensors that can tell if a bike has driven over or if a truck has driven over. We plan on using this data in kind of a repair-oriented way. So if something is cracked in the bridge, we'll be able to tell, we'll be the first to know. We have flags in the software that can actually tell us, hey, something's gone wrong. And then generally it can also just inform us how to make bridges better.
This is an amazing opportunity where we can do real-world application, actually service a community that's really needing this type of application.
There are a lot of rural communities in the state of Tennessee. There are a lot of bridges like this one that no one knows about, that are potentially in disrepair and dangerous to travel over. And with this technology, because of the ease of how it's deployable, I think it can meet a lot of these rural bridge needs that are across our state and across the nation.